Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you some easy, sexy ways to get down to the floor. So we're going to jump right into it. So this first one, you're going to start standing in front of the pole. Feet are a little bit more than hip width apart, so second position. Your hands can be in twisted, so you turn your shoulder in, grab the pole, or you could have your arm behind the pole with bunny ears. So the first one, bring your arm up, turn your shoulder in, grab the pole. Second one, grab from behind, bunny ears, right? So from here, you're in the second position. Opposite hand is behind you. You're gonna step out, step out. And from here, you just wind it down. To the ground, to the ground, to the So I'm going to show it again, but from the side. Choose which hand grip you want, whichever is most comfortable for you. Opposite hand is behind. I'm going to step out to second. Notice I'm leaning my shoulder on the pole. My back isn't on the pole, okay? The key to being able to sit down on the floor is you have to create space. And to create space, you have to step out, okay? Notice a little arch. And then from here, you can wind it down. You can play with hand positionings. Once you're close to the floor, you can bring that hand down to the floor, give you a little bit more leverage. Sit down, maybe clock your heels, and bust it open. Another way you can transition to the floor, okay? I don't know if you've seen my other video with the knee spin. So your knees are on the pole, slide it down, and spread your knees apart. So again, you're gonna bring your body close to the pole, okay? The inside of your knee is pressing right here, okay? If you're gonna lean your chest on the pole, you can. Squeeze, make sure you kick your heels back, slide down, and open up as you get closer to the floor, okay? Make sure you're keeping your feet pointed, not flexed, all right? So toes back, not toes up, all right? Let's try it from this side. All right, another way we can get down to the floor. So step it out like we did from the first one, okay? Make sure your hips are away from the pole. What's gonna happen is you're gonna choose a leg and it's gonna slide behind. So in this instance, my right leg is gonna come behind and it's gonna slide all the way down to the floor. And maybe pop it. So, let's try it from the back. Okay? Step it forward. Remember, you want to create space. Choose a leg, it's gonna thread behind. Okay? Slide down. As you slide, your body is going to go in the opposite direction. Make sure you're breathing. And you can end up in whichever position you want. Fairly easy to get you down to the floor quickly. We're gonna go for our princess grip. So princess grip is gonna look like this. One hand is in twisted, other hand is in cup, okay? Cup just means your fingers are all on the same side. So from the back, this is what it looks like. Top hand in twisted, other hand cup, right? And your shoulder is pressing against the pole. Ooh, trying to get to the side. So from here, you can step it out again. Step it out, step it out. You're gonna bring one leg up all the way up and bring it down to the floor, back to your V position. So again, you're in your second position, walk it out. Okay, make sure you arch, pressing your hips up towards the sky, bringing one leg up, maybe going on point with the foot that's still on the floor. Make sure you have enough space, slide it all the way down, and then open it up, like we did before. Another way you can get to the floor, this one, I'm gonna sneak it in, even though it's not that sexy. You could kind of make it sexy depending on how you're feeling. So you're gonna be in your bicep grip, right? Squeezing your bicep on the pole. Same thing, walking it out. And you can wind it down, wind it down, wind it down, wind it down. Same thing, open it up, and voila. Now I'm just gonna add this as a bonus. So if you wanna make it more dramatic, right? You're here, wind, 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 drop. And when I say drop, slightly loosen your grip and re-grab quickly, and then continue winding to the floor. All right, so these are some sexy ways to get down to the floor. If you want a routine with one of these transitions, let me know which transition was your favorite, and I'll see what I can do. All right, bye.